And actually as well, looking at the points around the protections for young people who need financial support from absent parents. I have 3,000 lone parents in my constituency who rely on support for their children, many of whom, if you look at my caseload, don't get that support, and we spend that time having to fight sometimes these very complex battles, giving these very complex levels of support. So, you know, we've got to relate this back to, we have got to ensure that as we move forward now, we make sure that this country is at the forefront of improving private international law. We can't just pass this and think, right, okay, there we go, we're an observer, or we're just partaking. We've got to be a leader on this, because at the end of the day, when that campaign was happening 4 years ago and people made that decision, whatever your view is on that, one of the premises of that campaign was that we would once again be a leader in the world. So in order to do that, we've got to ensure that we're taking a proactive and positive approach in doing that. I'm also very heartened to see that actually there's been the respect for the devolved administrations, and particularly for Scots law as well, because we need to respect the unique legal structures, the legal framework within Scotland itself. So I'm very pleased to see that. We might think this is a really technical, really convoluted, you know, the joy of sort of legal debates amongst lawyers in the tea room, but actually this is people's lives. This is every day. This is about keeping people in jobs. This is about ensuring that the most vulnerable in our society remain protected, and I do commend this bill to the House.